Daily routine verbs. Wake up. She wakes up at 6 o'clock every morning. Get up. My children get up early on school days. Eat. We eat breakfast together every morning. Drink. He drinks coffee before work. Cook. Maria cooks dinner every night. Sleep. They sleep 8 hours every night. Go. Daniel goes to work at 7 o'clock. Come. My husband comes home at 6 o'clock. Wash. She washes her hands before dinner. Clean. We clean the house on Saturdays. Work and study verbs. Work. My brother works in New York. Study. She studies English every evening. Learn. They learn new words every week. Practice. We practice English after class. Read. He reads the newspaper every morning. Write. You write emails at work. Speak. My coworkers speak English at work. Listen. She listens to music in the afternoon. Teach. Mr. Brown teaches English at school. Understand. The students understand basic English. Movement and activity verbs. Walk. We walk to the park every evening. Run. He runs in the park on weekends. Drive. My father drives to work every day. Travel. They travel every summer. Play. The children play soccer after school. Exercise. She exercises every morning. Visit. We visit our family on Sundays. Start. The class starts at 9 o'clock. Finish. He finishes work at 5 o'clock. Stop. The bus stops near my house. Everyday action verbs. Open. The store opens at 8 o'clock every morning. Close. She closes the office at 6 o'clock. Use. We use computers at work. Help. My son helps me in the kitchen. Call. They call their parents every weekend. Watch. He watches TV at night. Buy. My wife buys groceries on Fridays. Sell. They sell clothes online. Pay. He pays the bills every month. Make. We make breakfast together on Sundays. Needs, preferences, and common verbs. Have. She has breakfast at 7 o'clock. Do. He does his homework after school. Take. They take the bus to work. Give. The teacher gives homework every Friday. Need. We need more time to practice. Want. She wants a new computer. Like. My children like pizza. Love. He loves his family. No. They know many English words. Live. My parents live in Florida.